Grab your needles, grab your threads. Let's make something that's off the chain. Stitch by stitch, we'll create magic with our hands and our imagination. Bountiful crochet creation. Crochet, crochet, we're hooked on crochet.
Hello everyone, T here with Bountiful Crochet Creations. Welcome to my channel. Today, in our gallery of stitches, we're going to learn the Peacock Stitch. This is a very beautiful stitch with large fans of trebles. I have made samples in a solid color as well as one with color changes. If you are familiar with how to chain, single crochet, and treble crochet, then you can accomplish this amazing stitch today. It is a simple 2-row repeat. This stitch would look beautiful worked into a rectangular shawl, a scarf, afghan, or even a nice summer top. So grab your desired yarn along with its corresponding hook size, and let's get started. For today's tutorial, I am using I Love This yarn, which is a worsted weight yarn and also requires a 5mm hook. Do not forget your scissors and your yarn needle to weave in your ends at the end of your project. The stitch multiple is 10 plus 2. For today's sample, I will be chaining 42. For the foundation row, you will do 1 single crochet in the second chain from hook and in each remaining chain along. For row 1, you're going to turn your work, and right away in the very first single crochet, you're going to place a single crochet. From here, we're going to skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th stitch, we're going to place 9 treble crochets. Yarn over twice, there's 1, yarn over twice, pull through once, twice, 3 times, there's 2, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then we're going to skip 4, and we're going to place 1 single crochet in the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here in the fifth one, we're going to place one single crochet. And that holds down our peacock stitch. We're going to skip 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the fifth, 9 trebles. Yarn over twice. Then we'll skip 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the fifth, we'll put a single crochet. Okay, now we'll go ahead and continue out this row until we get to the end. For row 2, we will chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn our work. Now we're going to place one treble back into the same stitch that we're working out of. Then we're going to chain 3, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this middle stitch, we're going to place a single crochet. Then we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip these 4, 2, 3, and 4, and in this single crochet, we're going to place 2 trebles. And then we're going to chain 3 again. Skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a single crochet. And we're going to do this for the remaining of the row. For row 3, we will chain 1 and turn our work. And we will place 1 single crochet in between these 2 trebles, right in the middle. Then we're going to skip 3, and we're going to do 9 trebles in the next single crochet. So we're going to skip these 3 chains. We're going to put our 9 trebles right here. Yarn over twice. And then we're going to skip these 3 chains and place a single crochet right in the middle of these 2 trebles. And we'll repeat this for the remaining of the row. From here, we will repeat rows 2 and 3 until the desired project is complete. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, always stay happy, hum, and crochet. This is Bountiful Crochet Creations, signing off. Bye everyone.